Hello, today I welcome you to this great community. Most of us have seen about this. This is imieshu in Yoruba. It is called smelling plant, billy goat weed, akwụkwọ nwanosike, and ewu atụna, ọkụkọ atụna. So agadi isi awọ ọcha. It's also called agadi isi awọ ọcha. So this plant is very powerful for breaking of hex and back to sender. But I want to teach you how you can use this to destroy even your worst enemy. For the fact the person have sent any hex or magic that has entered your body, it will not only return to the person, but it will kill the person. This is in your issue. I've been taking time to do this. Okay. Now, there's an instruction to this. You will be needing this. See, with the root, the sand. You'll be needing egg. You'll be needing one egg, either agric egg, but you have to get a fresh egg that is fresh. Then another instruction is if the emulsion you have does not have the root, okay, then that means you have to take sand from your compound, earth from your compound. Another instruction here is the day you will have to use this, you will not go out for that day. So any day you must use it must be in the morning around 7 a.m. So if you do this, you don't need to go out for the day and you won't clean your body. You can bathe anywhere in your house, in your room, anywhere. You can put enough water, but this is how it is done. It will come for back to sender in two. How you can use only egg, but I will tell you that in another video. So once you've done this, what you do is you get a bucket of water, okay, 7 a.m. in the morning, and that day you know that you will not go out. You get this either with the roots or the leaves. This is imiation. You can see it almost anywhere. Then you get one egg. You put this in the water. You foam it inside the water. You pieces it inside the water. Your bathing water with the egg. Like you put everything like this, everything, every of it like this inside the bathing water. You will scrub everything, even the egg will break inside the bathing water. And with the leaves, you'll be making the prayer you want to make. Okay? You will be making the prayer you want to make. Once you've made this prayer, use it and bath. Use it and bath yourself. Don't clean your body for that day. You can bathe again maybe 1 a.m. in the morning, like midnight, but that's why I said the day you do this, you won't go out again. That night, even the spirit that will fight it battle, you will see the form. It will come to you in dream. You're okay. Then you will see even the person that is your enemy. The person will come. The person will pass. The person will even show himself or herself physically, but that's the end of the person. Okay. So you know how you can put this, the dry one, you can burn it as incense, only the imeshu. Okay, this, you can burn it as incense, the dried one with the root, you can burn it as incense. This is the herb of wisdom, the grey woman's hair. So this is a powerful herb. I will tell you how you use this to burn for back to sender. Again, that is powerful. In case you don't want to use this to bath. But why I suggest you endure and use it and bath is because enemies are many. And because enemies are many, you don't know who you're fighting. But in another method, I will tell you how to use this for back to sender. This is for a specific purpose, like you know the person and this is the person you want to revenge on, then that is how you use it. Then but that will come in another video, so you know that this works powerful. If you can, first of all, you must have to endure having this slimy stuff of the egg on your body, for the day. That is why I say you can get a big bucket of water and press it and do it. You can bath first with your normal soap and get clean before you do this. You can do this without any soap. Okay, once you do this, you don't apply any other soap on your body for the day. You don't apply cream for the day. That's why I say you do this in a day you feel you won't go out, that this is what you have to do. Okay, so that is, you know leaders na agwa mmadụ ife blogger na also called because there is so many sacrifices. Even if you're walking the right hand path, there are sacrifices you make, there are things you forgo, there are stuff so that you will be able to be in alignment with your own spirit, your higher spirit, even in that darkness, because they sacrifice animals every day. Human beings, those who sacrifice human beings, they do, because they can't keep to those laws. So that is their own commitment. So in every part there is a sacrifice. Okay, and sometimes obedience is better than sacrifice. So you stay blessed for more coming your way. I'm a very good guy, Spiritual Jude.